In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a new audit inside of Monolith. So what this feature does is it lets you reconcile physical items that you have under your control with their digital references inside of Monolith. So for example, if you have a phone as an evidence item, and you want to check in Monolith to make sure that it's located where it is located in reality, or that all the information is correct, we can use Audits to do that. So to create a new audit, the first thing we're going to do is come into the left-hand sidebar under the Evidence Management tab and click on Audits. This is going to bring up all the audits that we've conducted in our lab. And to create a new audit, what we're going to do is click this blue Add New Audit button. And it's going to open up a modal to prompt us for some details. So we can give the audit a name, Megan's new audit. We can assign the audit to whoever will be conducting it. I'm just going to assign it to myself. We can set a start date and a due date. Next, we can select the item type. So in Monolith, we can create audits for evidence items and storage items. I'm going to go ahead and select evidence items. And we have a little description box. This is my new audit. And when we selected the item type here, it opened up a filter box for us. So what this lets us do is it gives us some control over what evidence items or storage items Monolith pulls into this audit for you. So let's say I just wanted to do an audit for evidence assigned to me from the last 60 days. We can use filters to set that up so Monolith will only pull evidence items that match those parameters for us. And once I have all the filters set to whichever parameters that I'm looking for my audit, I can click Create Audit. So that's going to create the new audit for us. And if we click into the audit we've just created, it's going to bring up some details, the total items, what the filters were for this audit. And then up here at the top, you'll be able to see the overview is just kind of a details page. From here, you'll be able to see all the evidence items listed inside of the audit, as well as their status, their locations, and what case they're associated to. And then as you go through the audit, you can mark these, if it passes the audit, you can mark it as passed, or if it failed, you can mark that as well. And Monolith will keep track of the status for you. So like, let's say this one failed, we can enter a note about the failure. Or let's say this one passed, we can add a note for passed as well. We also have documentation on this feature in our Monolith documentation, so we'll be sure to link to this in the YouTube description, so check that out if you want more details about how to create audits. And that is how to use this feature inside of Monolith. Thanks for watching.